Now that you have clicked as shown earlier on link, you will have arrived at the website homepage like this. Now just click the right hand side button, click login, and then click sign up. And then enter your real details as seen in this screen. After you sign, you come to the following screen, which is asking you to check your email and click link to activate the account. Once you did that, you will need to go to your profile and complete all the questions so the platform can recommend you surveys which match you so you can earn money. Then you will have to connect a payment method so you can withdraw money. Thank you. Please like this video and subscribe for more tested methods. Good luck on your earning journey.